I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a door handle on a Cadillac Escalade. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a good screwdriver set, especially with Torx bits, and a trim removal tool to prevent any damage to your vehicle's interior. Of course, have your new door handle ready. A small flashlight can also be very helpful for seeing into those tricky, dark areas. Having these items prepared makes the process much smoother. Now, let's get to removing the old door handle. Begin by carefully prying off the interior door panel trim using your trim removal tool to avoid scratches. Once the trim is off, you'll see fasteners holding the handle in place. Unscrew these. Next, disconnect any linkage rods and electrical connectors attached to the handle. With everything unfastened, you can gently pull the old door handle assembly out from its position. With the old handle removed, it's time to install your new one. Start by connecting the new handle's linkage rods and any electrical wiring. Make sure these connections are secure. Then, carefully position the new handle assembly into the opening on the door. Once it's aligned, secure it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Double-check that all connections are firm and properly seated before moving on to the next step. Finally, let's test your new door handle and complete the installation. Operate the new handle several times to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. Also, verify that the locking mechanism functions correctly. Once you're satisfied with its operation, carefully reattach the interior door panel trim, making sure it snaps securely into place. Confirm all functions are working perfectly before you fully close the door and enjoy your new handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.